CNN, ABC News, CBC, Inside Edition, and more have all reported on the scary amount of bacteria and germs in hotel rooms. The Cleansebot is a pocket-sized, smart robot designed to sanitize and disinfect any surface, including your bed and blankets, using UVC light. Cleansebot is the first all-in-one cleaning robot that you can take on all of your adventures. With built-in artificial intelligence, 18 sensors, and 3 different modes, the Cleansebot might just be the smartest thing you pack. In under blanket mode, you just put your Cleansebot on the bed, touch one button, and let it sanitize and disinfect your bed for either 30 or 60 minutes at a time, no matter what type of mattress or blanket you have. Using patent-pending wheel technology, the robot will be able to climb over any lumps and bumps in the sheets and never fall off the bed. In handheld mode, just pick up your Cleansebot and the sensors will detect your hand, and use the bottom UVC lights to disinfect light switches, kitchen and bathroom surfaces, cell phones, keyboards, and even children and pet toys. The Cleansebot can run and disinfect for 3 hours on a single charge. When you're traveling, you always pack your portable charger. Instead of having to pack another device, the Cleansebot has a power bank mode with a 3700 mAh battery and a USB-C port with flash charging for faster charging times. Experts at the National Institute of Health, Columbia University, and Time, as well as many others, have shown how UVC light kills 99.99% of bacteria, germs, and mold, and can even fight the spread of airborne viruses. Worry-free traveling can be yours. Grab the super smart Cleansebot and guard against germs no matter where you are. Place your pre-order during this Kickstarter campaign to get your Cleansebot for over 60% off retail price, only $99. This is a Kickstarter only deal and will not be available after the campaign has ended. Don't miss out.